Welcome viewers, if still you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and also click the bell icon to get technology updates regularly on this JP Infotech channel.
Hi, in this video we are going to see about a Java project which is entitled as Authorized Keyword Search over Outsourced Encrypted Data in Cloud Environment, which is an IEEE 2022 transaction paper. Before seeing the execution of the project, let me brief about this project. So we all know that the data stored in the cloud is in public and anyone can able to access the cloud. So to make this data that is stored in the cloud secure, in earlier systems they would have used the encryption technique. But the problem comes here when we wanted to search the data in the cloud, as the data that are stored in the cloud is being encrypted, getting the required file that is stored in the cloud becomes a problem. So the challenge to perform the search operation based on the keywords or the encrypted content without disclosing any information is the problem here. So to overcome the existing issues, in this paper the authors have proposed the authorized keyword search scheme relying on the concept of ciphertext-policy attribute based encryption. So here the data that is stored in the cloud which is being encrypted is being identified correctly, and that is given to the user who is going to search. And also that kindly note that here you can see authorized keyword search. Any user cannot able to search directly in the cloud service, only after the approval of the authorized person. The user can able to search and you based on the keyword search, and also that is being stored in the encrypted data in the cloud environment. So let us see the architecture so you can get a better idea. So here you can see the entities: data owner. The data owner is the person who uploads a file in the cloud service provider CSP, and the users who search the data in the cloud. So here you can see the additional entities like attribute authority and verification authorities. So here the users will approved using the attribute authority, and users will be given permission to search the data in the cloud service provider using the verification authorities. So this is the main objective of the paper. So now let us see the execution of the project. Before that, make sure that kindly note that we cannot implement the exact algorithm or the mathematical model as mentioned in the base paper. So only the main objective of the paper will be implemented. So now let us see the execution. So we have developed this project in Java using NETBEANS IDE 8.2. So first open the NETBEANS IDE 8.2, and now you need to import the project into the NETBEANS IDE. So just go to file menu and click open project. Now go to the source code location. In the source code folder you can find this authorized keyword search. Select it and click open project, and kindly wait till the complete project is being loaded into the NETBEANS IDE. So here you can see the progress of it. Meanwhile, let us attach the database. So just go to the MySQL administrator, log in with the credentials of the username and password as root and click OK. Now go to the restore option. Now select the open backup file. Now go to the source code location where you can find the database folder. Just select the database folder and select the database, and then click start restore. Now you can see the restore operation was finished successfully message, and click close. Now you can close this MySQL administrator part because the database is being attached successfully. So now coming back to the NETBEANS IDE, you can see the project is being loaded into the NETBEANS IDE. So in case if you see this kind of error in the web page part in the CSS, this is due to the template mismatch. So just you can ignore it and run it, or if you wanted to clear it, just open it and just select this filter out option, and you can see it is refreshing, and now you can see the error has been cleared. Now go to the other one, style.css. in case if we have the same issue here, just select the filter out option, and after you can see the refreshing, you can see the error has been cleared now. So now we can execute the project. So just right click it and then click run, And now kindly wait till the project is being transferred to the browser part. So now you can see the home screen, a welcome screen of the project with the project title, authorized keyword search over outsourced encrypted data in cloud environment. And here you can see the entities of attribute authority, verification authority, CSP, that is cloud service provider, owner, and the user of it. So let me go to the owner part. So once if we click the owner menu, it will be navigated to the owner login page. As we don't have any username and password, now let us create by clicking the register menu. So just it will be navigated to the owner registration page, where you need to enter the details of the owner. So let me enter the details of the owner as JP. Email ID, phone number, and password, and click register button. And now you can see the owner registration is success. Click OK. So once after the registration is success, it will be navigated to the owner login page, where you need to enter the username, email ID, and the password which we have used during the registration. Click login, and now you can see the login is success, and click OK. So now it will be navigated to the owner's home page, and here you can see the options of uploading the file, that is file upload option, my files, encrypted index. So everything is empty because the owner has not yet uploaded any file. So first let me go to the file upload option. So as this is a cloud project, the file that we are uploading should be stored in any cloud service. So we have used Drive HQ in this project. So just you need to create an account in Drive HQ. So just go to drivehq.com and click sign up, and you can create an account which is free of cost. Once after creating the account, you need to activate that account, and once if the account is activated, now go to the source code location where you can find this ftpcon.java file. So just go to the line number 30 where you can find this code, where you need to enter the username that you have created for the Drive HQ username and the password that you have created for the Drive HQ. So once after that, you need to save it, and then only you need to upload the file. Then only the file will be uploaded in your created Drive HQ account. So now let us see that. So now I have entered my username and password of the Drive HQ. So now let me upload a file. So now let me upload a file. So here you need to enter the 3 keywords. So now let me enter the keyword as IEEE Cloud Project. So let me name this like this, and let me create an text file in the desktop. And let me save this. Now let me choose the file, and here you can see the file should be less than 1 MB. And now let me go to the desktop and select the file that you have created, cloud, and then click upload. And now you can see the message file uploaded to the cloud and encrypted index generated, and click OK. And now if you go to the my files option, you can see the file ID 1 which we have uploaded now, and what is the file name and what is the file type, and uploaded date and time is being shown here. And in encrypted index you can find the keywords that has been encrypted, because the data that we are storing in the cloud should not be known, and also the keywords should also be encrypted. So that has been done here. So now let us check the thing in a Drive HQ. So let me log in with the Drive HQ account, username and password. And once after login, you can see the file here, that is encrypted cloud.txt. The date you can see 33/2023. Time you can see this is the date and time that I have uploaded now. So just click it. You can see the file that we uploaded has been encrypted. So the file name or a keyword and everything is being encrypted now. So now let me log out from this cloud part. So it is made sure that the file that we are uploading is stored in the Drive HQ, that is cloud service. So now let me log out. So now the data owner has uploaded a file. So now let us go for the user part. So now let us go to the user, and as we don't have any user right now, I'll click the register part and go. It will be navigated to the user registration page. So now let me create a user called Alice. alice@gmail.com. Let me create like this. Password as Alice and click register, and now you can see the user registration is success and click OK. Now it will be navigated to the user login page. So now let me enter the detail of this user and click login, but you can see the message that your account not yet approved, please visit again later, because as per the architecture you can know that any user cannot directly enter into the system to make the system secure, so to avoid unnecessary user or the attackers kind of thing. So this should be approved by the entity authority, attribute authority. So just you need to click to the attribute authority. So just log in the attribute authority with the username and password as AA and both are caps and click login. And once the login is successful, it will be navigated to the attribute authority home page, and this is the attribute authority home page where you can see the option of user activations, and you can see active users. So now you can see in active users it is empty because there is no any users right now. And in user activations you can see the pending approval of one user, that is Alice, which I have created right now, and you can see the status is no here, and registration time, date and time of it. And here the attribute authority as the power of approving or rejecting the user. Once if it is a malicious user or unnecessary user, they can able to reject it, so the user cannot able to log in into the system. And now let me approve this user. So you can see access granted and secret key is generated and click OK. And now if you go to the active users, you can see it has been entered with the user that we have created, and you can see the status has been active now. So now let me log out from this attribute authority part. Now let me go to the user part. Now let me give the same username and password which you have given earlier and click login. And now you can see the login is success, and now it will be navigated to the user home page. And here you can see the option of get search access, verified results, all search request, and now everything is empty. So now you can see get search access. So now if you go and type a keyword, so now let me type a keyword called cloud and click get request. So now you can see the search access request is being sent. So in earlier systems, in the existing systems, you can see that directly they can able to search for a file and it will be getting, but here even the users have been approved by other entity. Now it is being the search request should be approved by the other entity to make the system more secure. So search access request is being sent and click OK. And now if we go to the verified result and everything has been empty, now let me log out, and this search request should be approved by the verification authority. So just log in with, click to the verification authority, it will be navigated to the login page of the verification authority. You need to log in with the username and password as VA, both are capital letter, and you can see the login is success and click OK. Now you will be navigated to the verification authority home page where you can see the users who are all available, and you can see the search access request. So now you can see the search access request is empty right now. And now let me log out and go to the cloud service provider CSP. So just log in to the CSP as cloud service provider as username and password as CSP, and the same username and password both as CSP, both capital letter, and click login. And now it will be navigated to the cloud service provider home page, and where you can see the access request for the file. So here you can see the user ID 1, the verification status is waiting, and what is the requested date and time. You can see the action and get access verification. Just click this get access verification, and now you can see search as access request is sent to the VA verification authority for verification. So now even the cloud has given the access, so it will not directly go to the user part, so it will be going to the verification authority. So now let me log out and go to the verification authority part. And now if you go to the search access request, now earlier you can see that was empty, and now you can see the search request access. Once the cloud has given the approved, it will be sent to the verification authority, where the verification authority verifies the user and the request and gives the verify. So now you can see the search access verified and sent to the cloud, and click OK. And now let me log out. Now let me go to the user part and enter the credentials of the user and click login. And now if you go to the verified results, if you go to the all search request, you can see the keyword that we have used, cloud, and you can see the verification status has been verified, and now you can see the requested time for it. So now if you go to the search access and just click the file name cloud, again you can see the request is being sent again. So whenever a user searches for each and every query, it will be sent, the request will be sent, and directly the user cannot able to see what is the file that is available in the cloud part. So now let me log out from the user part, and now let me go to the CSP, cloud service provider, and log in. And now you can see the verified request. So now the verification authority has verified it, and here you can see the user ID, trapdoor, and verification status and request. So now the cloud should send the results to the user. So now click the send results part. So now you can see the search results sent to the user, and click OK. So now let me log out and go to the user part. And now if you go to the verified results part, so earlier it was empty, and now you can see the trapdoor and verification status both are approved by the cloud and the verification authority, and now only the user can able to see the results. So just click view results, and now you can see the action for download. And now let me click the downloads part, and now you can see the original file that has been stored in the cloud is being given to the user. So completely all the things been processed on the encrypted data only. So now you can see the all search request. So earlier I have given cloud, it has been approved, and second time was given as in a waiting stage. So now let me log out from this part. So now let me go to the CSP part. So in the downloads you can see the user ID 1, and what is the owner ID and what is the file ID and when it is been down. So anywhere the details of the file is been not shown to the other people, and only to the intended user it has been given, and only the IDs is been shared here, and the cloud has the access of all the details of whoever the request is made and whoever the files downloaded from the cloud part. So now we have seen the cloud part, we have seen the access request and verified request, all access request, downloads, and logout. And in the attribute authority part, we have seen about the user activations and active users and logout. And in verification authority part, we have seen about the users and search access request and all access request and logout. CSP we have seen, and the owner part, we have seen about the file upload, my files, and encrypted indexes and logout. And in user part, we have seen about the get access request, verified results, and all search requests and logout. And this is all about the project authorized keyword search over outsourced encrypted data in cloud environment. And thank you all for watching.